Hello and welcome back to the channel. Bit different video today. I'm at home and Karen's at work, and it's around, if you can see behind me, there's lots of snow still. It's about 6 days since it snowed and it's been minus most of the time around here. Even in the daytime it's just about got to 0 or 1 degree, so we haven't had a lot of thawing. So what I'm going to do today is take you on a little walk around the area, just a normal walk we normally go on, just to share it with you. And I'm also going to take my little DJI Neo drone to see how that performs. I've not used it much since I got it for Christmas, so I'll get my little boots on and get my grippers on and we'll go for a walk, because around this area there's quite a lot of roads that haven't actually been cleared yet. So we'll take you with us. I'll show you out the back window. So as you can see, it's a beautiful wintry scene out there. Just going to try my little drone now. Right, hope you've enjoyed this little walk with me today, and I've had a chance to fly me little Neo. Not the first time I've been out at garden with it actually, so hopefully footage is alright. I'm not going to put too much in because it bores most people. All I've got to do is say thanks for watching this one, if you got to this point in it anyway, and I hope I haven't bored you too much with little drone shots, and we'll see you in another video in another place at some other time. Bye for now.